Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Let's just do a brake change. There you go. Perfect.
A technician accidentally left a ratchet on the crank pulley while adjusting the valves and forgot to remove it when starting the vehicle. We all make mistakes, but man, this is a rough one. Customer states their battery let the smoke out. Not exactly the amount of movement you want to see in a ball joint. Thankfully, the customer agreed to have it replaced before they left. Customer states he was driving through some rain and then the car died, which again is exactly why you don't drive through deep puddles fast, as this guy probably hydro-locked his engine.
All water. Okay. They'll just take it out.
Oh, take it out?
Yeah, I don't know what they want me to do. I'll at least see how much water comes out of this thing. Oh my gosh, it's okay. Suck up water, try to drive through a puddle. Yeah.
So I just put it back?
Yeah, you can put it back. I don't care. I'll call them what they want me to see what they want me to do.
Customer states their clutch won't disengage. Well, that would certainly do it. Customer states, I just spent 16 hours replacing my clutch. Now it makes this noise. Lucky this customer didn't have this happen during a rainstorm. This Chrysler Pacifica came in for an oil change. When the mechanic opened the hood, he found this pinecone stash, which took 40 minutes to remove them all.
Oh, det er no buenos.
Customer knew a guy who could do it cheaper and ended up with this mess, which is exactly why you pay the professionals. Customer bought this Jeep Compass 3 days ago for his daughter, only to find the head gasket is gone. Customer states, I don't need new brakes, just fix the squealing noise. Customer said this knocking noise just started out of nowhere and that it gets louder when you accelerate. They weren't too happy after being told it's rod knock and would require a new engine or rebuild. Customer states, I keep seeing smoke coming from under my hood. The cause is the valve cover gasket is leaking small amounts of oil onto the exhaust manifold. Customer stated that they only wanted wheel weights on the inside of the wheel.
No, where you normally take my car. Wow, that's crazy. Both of
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.